I've gotten two really magnificent opportunities from O Positive. I got to build an amazing big Zen garden at Mountain Jam. I was right by the stage, and now being at Northern Dutchess Hospital and being able to put a sculpture in the middle of the hospital in an enclosed garden.
Bringing art into the hospital setting is a very healing thing to do. As people are coming in for many reasons, it's a nice distraction. We had a relationship with O Positive that HealthQuest was a sponsor of their festival. We felt like we needed some kind of an art feature out here. And then we said, hey, we should talk to O Positive. Maybe they can come up with some ideas. Myself and the president of the hospital, Denise George, went out to Tyler's space and looked at his work. We felt like it was a representation of the area that we live in. We've been paying a lot of attention to the healing, natural element, and it just seemed to fit.
The piece that I had chose to bring to Northern Dutchess Hospital was my sculpture that I originally had built in the Hudson River, and we had documented it for about 2 months. This piece, it was very deep inside me. It was like very relaxing. After it was built, I just sitting there videotaping it, recording it, just like brought so much peace to my mind. Couldn't think of a better piece to bring. As an artist, this is my health. This is my meditation, my zen, my relaxation, my breaths, my moment of peace. And I'm glad that I was given this opportunity by O Positive and Northern Dutchess Hospital to install here and bring this piece from the Hudson to here. When I did O Positive, I got massage therapy, dental care, and acupuncture. And because of that time receiving it and what it did for my body, I've gone and had many more treatments. O Positive has brought me opportunities to keep this whole art dream of mine going.
I think it's great. I walk through this hallway all the time. When you pass through the hallway, now you have something really interesting to look at and be like, wow, how did that end up getting there? Who put that there? It's been a great relationship with O Positive, but this is a nice way to support one of the artists as well.